the serving commissioner for science and technology, Dr. Rabe. We got information this evening that he was suspected to have been killed in his house and dragged from the parlor to the bedroom, but all other places were locked up. And I rushed there. His Excellency was also on the ground, and my homicide detectives. We, after the necessary preliminary actions by detectives, the corpse was evacuated from the residence, which he was ostensibly living alone at the time of the incident late last night. And I want to assure you that we are working seriously to unravel those behind this dastardly act.
Any arrest so far?
Yes, one person has been arrested who is suspected to be having a kind of complicity in the unfortunate incident. But I want to authenticate the allegations. So he has been arrested immediately after the incident. They should remain calm. This is an isolated situation of suspected assassination. There is no evidence of anything picked from the house yet, but they should remain calm, and I want to assure them that as soon as possible we are going to effect more arrests, and we'll get the details surrounding this dastardly act, and we'll make it public.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.